Good evening, everyone. This is Shobit Singhal. I'm the Transformer, and I'm an author's coach, a reader's coach, and I am very active on social media these days. And I founded a book readers club in the month of January, and since then 3 to 4 months has been over. We have been a great journey, and in those journey, whenever you start a new journey, you will find a lot of new members in your journey, and you meet them, and you try to inspire them, but you end up getting inspired by them. And today I have Mithu Roy with me, and he started with as a mentee of mine, but today I'm learning a lot of things from him. I think he's giving me a lot of knowledge, and he's doing a lot of stuff. And he's actually a sample where people can see and can understand. He's actually a legacy student. People can see and understand, okay, what implementation can help you, what learnings can help you, and if you have to utilize something very effectively, he's the person. So he's a professional podcaster, he's a YouTuber, he's a software engineer, he's a book reader, he's a master of notes taking, notes publishing, all that. I don't know what all things he does. So let's be very simple, and let's call him a rock star. So let's welcome Mithu Roy. Mithu, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today.
First of all, I want to thank you, Shobit, for such overwhelming, introduction. I didn't expect to say a lot of things about me. So thank you so much for having me on board. I'm really, feeling happy. I feel so much happy that this interview is happening, and I'm actually blessed to have, be on this interview.
Thank you. So, for people who are seeing us first time, or they are wondering what is this all about, so this interview is basically a achievers interview. So, in my book, I have a book readers club which I opened a few months ago, and I motivated people to read, and I helped them. So, I decided after 3 months, after 100 days later, I decided that I will interview people who have achieved some basic milestones in the book readers club, and very happy to say that Mithu is the first person I'm interviewing for that. Journey. And I think Mithu has done a great things, and what all things he did, we'll come to that later. But let's start, from the basics. So Mithu, first thing I want to know about, why don't you tell us about yourself in your own words? Like, what do you do? Where did you come from? And what are your background? And like briefly your introduction, basically.
Yeah, so actually, I live in Kolkata for like 8 years. It's been 8 years I'm living in Kolkata. I'm basically from Tripura,
Okay.
Northeast. So Northeast is beautiful. If you haven't go there, you should at least go there. So
Okay.
I am from Tripura actually. Basically, my hometown is Tripura, and I've been, studying. I studied my BTech, completed my BTech on Kolkata, and I joined as a software engineer at, I'm still working as a software engineer at a company at Kolkata. So it's been 5 years that I've been I've been working as a software engineer. But in that time, for 2 years, I was working as a YouTuber too, making some tutorials on software engineering and stuff. And I wanted to do a lot of things with my life actually, but every time I used to think, but something happens. So, you can say that it's an excuse, but I can say it's sometimes life happens. Some work just comes in between. So this happens, and after that. After 2 years or so, I was just working a little bit harder on my YouTube channel, and I started seeing some growth too. So this gives me a boost, and I have started reading about the internet and the digital world itself, because being a software engineer, I used to just code all day. So I had no idea about this digital world. So people can earn a lot of money if they want. So internet is like something that you can just sit at your home and just make money. So it's like that. So
Correct. Correct.
I was just trying to explore that area. So so that's what I was doing. And after that, as you so it's going to come after that. So basically I joined the book club, so I'm not going to talk about that right now. I think Shobit is going to ask me that. So yeah, that's my introduction is actually. So that's what I am.
Great, awesome, yeah. Vintu, I think you have done a lot of things, and I always say that you never learn from observing. You learn from experience,
Yeah,
and I
right.
think you are one person that was experiencing a lot of things. And I think you are quite young also. You are in your twenties, mid twenties, right? So
Yeah,
you're
I'm
that's the
26.
yeah. So that's the age of exploring. I think even I'll be turning 27 this year, so like
Yeah, I
I'm
know
also
that.
exploring. Great. So, Mithu, tell me the time when you first heard about me, or first time you get to know okay, Shobit Singhal and readers coach or something like that. The first incident, how did you came to know about me?
So as I told you that I was exploring the digital world. So what I used to do is I used to, randomly send people, LinkedIn connection request. So it was at first it was random. I was just, check the profile first, and if it looks right, I used to just send them a request. And I think one of my connection shared something about Shobit. So I got his connection. I just went to his profile and I saw some nice stuff. Then I sent you connection request, and thankfully you accepted. And after that, I saw the post of, there is a WhatsApp group that we can join, who wants to read a lot of book and transform their lives. I was like, okay, that's fine. I always wanted to read books. Why not just join that book club and see what's going on? So that's how I actually get connected to Shobit, and I'm very happy that I sent that request that day on LinkedIn.
Okay. So after that, you joined the free webinar group on the
Yeah, right,
WhatsApp,
right.
right? That
There's
I
a free
created.
free webinar group,
So
right?
after that, what happened? I posted the link for my webinar, and did you attend my webinar?
Yeah, so actually, when I joined the free group, there was
Mhm.
this link that okay, webinar is happening at 8 around, I think, at night.
Mhm.
So I thought, okay, it's a webinar at Zoom. I'll be sitting at home. Okay, let's just join this and see what he has to say. And the title was really, attractive, that we can read a lot of books and change their lives or anything like that.
How to
So
read 52 books in
yeah,
1 year.
52 books. I was like, okay, 52 books. I can't even read 2 books. So I was like, okay, let's just at least join the webinar and see what he has to say. So the when I joined the webinar, and Shobit, just gives his journey in a way that it is so much compelling. I was just like, okay, that's great. And at the end, I couldn't help myself. I just, I think I'm the first one who paid the amount so, to join the book readers club. So it was so much fun actually. So I was just really, I
So I have to
felt so much
like,
awesome. Yeah.
so I have to ask you this, like when you were going through the webinar, what is the one thing that struck you that okay, I have to join the book readers club? So when I yeah.
See, the plain reason I joined the Book Readers Club
Mhm.
is because I just wanted to read books. It was
Mhm.
there inside me that, okay, I want to read books,
Mhm.
because, like, a lot of people, just binge watch the YouTube, right? Nowadays. So I used to see a lot of motivational videos in YouTube and all that, ki book paro, and you will be like, okay, a ninja of everything. So like, okay, parenge, but kab parenge? I don't know. So it was there somewhere inside me that okay, I wanted to read books. Uh, when I go through your webinar and you just gave me the calculation, that's what I actually like. I'm a guy of calculation, honestly speaking. So being an engineer, actually we care about the calculation. So you gave
Yeah.
me the calculation that okay, ऐसे पढ़ोगे and you will complete the 52 books. I was like, okay, really? So I was like, okay, let's join the book club. Even if I do the 10% of what he's saying, then it's good enough for me. And why should not I join this book club? So that's the actual core reason, that you gave a structure that ऐसे पढ़ो books and you will be completing all the books that I am saying. So that's the only thing attracted me, I think I should say.
Okay. So you then you joined the book readers club and then your journey started. So tell me about the first initial days, like what happened in first 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, like what you
Okay.
did and what all things happened and like first starting days, how was the experience from BRC?
Okay, so
Yeah.
Shobhit, I think I don't know whether you remember it or not. You asked on the webinar because Shobhit, if you guys don't know Shobhit's webinar is very interactive. He let people speak. Actually, he just he's not like someone who just keeps speaking. So you asked me that not me actually, all the audiences, that when should we start? So I said okay, tomorrow 9 a.m. So that's what my answer was that time. So Shobit said, no, it's now. So I was like, okay,
Okay.
so what I remember the date actually. It's I think March 22, and
Okay.
I have started reading from the March 23. So I paid the amount to join the book readers club, and the moment I joined that day, you sent the book called the 10x rule on the group. So I was like, in the morning I just downloaded the PDF. I was like, okay, I'm so much excited. I have joined the book club. Okay, अब join किया है तो book तो पढ़ना है. So I was like, okay, let's start reading this book. I don't, because I had no idea. I had no clear goals कि क्या करेंगे क्या नहीं. So um, I just started reading the book, The 10x Rule, and after 2-3 days, I think you have started the 7-day reading challenge. So you have already discussed about the 7-day reading challenge on the webinar too. So I was excited for that, but you have the moment you started the 7-day reading challenge. Uh, I had a feeling that मैंने तो 3 दिन already पढ़ लिया. So I was like, I'm the brightest student in this group. So I had this feeling.
That's good. That's good actually. That's good actually.
So I had this feeling. So what I did is I keep reading that book. I didn't hop into other book and started the 7 days challenge with a new book, because I was a slow reader. I am still a slow reader, I can say. So but I'm trying to improve actually. So yeah, so that's after the 7 days I couldn't complete it. So I'm being honest here. So it's like it took me like 12 days to complete the 10x rule. But what actually happens is Shobit gives upload videos he gives a video of 7 days every day. So every morning he posts ki ye video dekho aaj ke liye. So what I used to do is I used to watch the video twice sometime, because I could not complete the book in 7 days. That's a simple thing. So I used to watch videos 1 or 2 times sometimes. So most of the videos I watched 2 times actually. So it really helped. I could not complete the 7-day reading challenge, but still it really helped. I had a feeling that I'm okay. I have a challenge to complete. So that really helped.
So when you were reading the first book, 10x Rule, so like in between the reading, did you feel like, okay, I have to quit, it's getting boring? Because some people complain that completing the book is a problem. So was that a problem for you also?
Okay, this problem will come. I knew that. Even before started reading the book, I knew that this is going to happen, because this is not the first time that I have I wanted to read books, and this is not the first book that I tried picked up. I have tried to read previously too, but I couldn't complete any book actually. So I knew that it will happen. So what I did is I bought the book. So this is the first time I bought the book, even though
Not
Shobit
the
gives the,
physical copy.
yeah, not the physical copy, the ebook. I bought it.
Actually, you bought it.
Yeah,
You still have the PDF, but still you bought the ebook.
yes, I still
Okay,
bought the ebook.
that's good. That's
Yeah.
great.
So this way the writer will get some money, and also
Hmm.
it is basically to help me. So basically what I was thinking back of my mind ki paisa diya hai, to I need to read the book. So so I need to
Yeah,
get the most
bang
out of
on,
this
bang on.
book.
That's
Yeah.
also my feeling. I have like I don't read ebooks at all. I invest money on physical books, and because I always think okay, I have paid 1,000 rupees, I have to
Yeah, I actually wanted to get
yeah,
the physical book, Shobit, but the
lockdown.
thing is that it was lockdown, so I could not
Yeah.
help it. So, and even if I ordered a physical book, it would have taken some time. So that was a
Mm-hmm.
great choice for me to go for the ebook. I bought the book even though I had the PDF. So I started reading, and it started to get boring after like 3 days. 2 days it was exciting, and 3 days I was like, okay, I was observing something कि अच्छा ये ठीक है, it's अच्छा लग रहा है, it's fine, but ठीक है. But fourth, fifth, and seventh day, 6, 7 days like so much boring. I don't know why I'm reading this book. Okay, so this started happening. But one thing I really liked about this, I was taking notes. So that really helped. So let me share a story with you. Is on the third, fourth, and fifth day, what I actually did is I almost read the book twice. The reason is when I read the book in the morning, I could not take notes, because this is the first time I have started reading. So I used to forget actually. So first and second days I was so much excited. So super excitement was the reason I took notes. So after that I forgot. Okay, I forgot to take notes. I was like, okay, 2 दिन ले लिया है तो आज भी ले लेंगे notes. तो ठीक है. So then I took notes, and I read the book twice actually. The second time when I read it, trust me, I don't know it happens to you or not, or any other readers, because I was new. I really liked it. I really liked it. I, I was getting what the author was trying to say. So, so,
Yeah,
so
I get that
that
feeling.
happens.
I know
Yeah.
that. I can understand that feeling.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it's.
totally missed the point actually. When I read the book twice, I mean, for the third day actually, third, fourth, and fifth day, I actually read the book twice. After sixth and seventh, I read only once. So whatever I read that day, actually, when I read it, the second time, it was like a different book.
So when you finished the entire book, let's say, so like then what was the feeling like? Okay, like did you felt ki I wasted a lot of time in reading this book, or did you find that okay now I've got a little different perspective of life? What was the feeling when you immediately finished the book reading of the first book,
um,
the next rule?
uh, Let me just I think I should give you credit in this, ki you make a video on ki you should create hype about the author before starting a book. So
Day
this was a
five, day five video in the 7-day reading challenge.
yeah, it is in the
Yeah.
vault of the 70 reading challenge ki by hype create karo. If you want to really read a book, just research about the author. So I'm not going to say in details. So what I really did is when I was reading the 10x rule, I could see that okay, almost 20% or 25% is remaining. So I have started researching about what should I read next. And in the 7 days reading challenge, you I think you asked all the people to send their send their problems to you, so you can suggest a tailored book to us.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
that really helped. That was really helpful for me because I was researching what to read. And trust me, I almost watched like 7 8 YouTube videos ki top 10 books to read, ये 10 बुक पढ़ो और like millionaire बन जाओ, billionaire बन जाओ. I was like अच्छा ठीक है. So I was like इतना बुक पढ़ना है तो कब पढ़ेंगे, कौन सा बुक, what should I choose? So when you gave me two books to read, Rich Dad Poor Dad and the Dave Gardner's book. So I picked the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. And what I was doing is on my 10th day, I started, researching about the Rich Dad Poor Dad. I knew about this book because it's a legendary book actually. So I started researching about this book, and the reviews were awesome. And I should say that okay, the hype was automatically created with the first search itself, because this book has changed a lot of people's lives. This is in the internet actually, so that's what internet says. So I was really excited ki Shobit has suggested me Rich Dad Poor Dad. I have also you know learned heard about this book too, so I just really wanted to read this book. So I picked that book after that. So I was not I forget that कि 10x rule कब खत्म होगा, कि उसके बाद कुछ feelings. I didn't get any feelings actually. खत्म हुआ अच्छा है, I need to pick the Rich Dad Poor Dad. That was the feeling on my mind actually. So
Yeah,
yeah.
that's great. Yeah. So three books that you have read is one is the 10x rule,
Yeah,
second
right.
is the Rich Dad Poor Dad, and third one is
uh, Sorry.
which three books that you have completed till now in the BRC. First is the 10x rule. Then
Yeah.
you have read Rich Dad Poor Dad, and third book you have read is
Third book is the Compound Effect.
Compound Effect. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's again a very good book, which shows that how calculations can help you. It's a good book. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
actually I picked the book myself.
I know. That's a good thing also. Once you start, like, first or second book, the barrier is over. Then like, choosing the book is also important.
Right,
I
right.
always say that it's like, we say na ki actors are because of the films they choose. So
Yeah,
that's
right.
what readers are because of the books they choose to read. So I always say that. So if you are choosing the book which is related to your life indirectly, that's a very good thing. So in short, Mithu, that 7-day reading challenge, what is your feedback of that? In short, if you have to say, like, if anyone who's a newbie, who's not joined the book readers club, or even joined the book readers club, still have not gone to the 7-day reading challenge, what do you have to say to them about that video course?
Okay, so first of all, I want to say is when you learn something like that 7-day challenge. So this kind of the challenge word is really strikes hard. Actually, I should say. So कि 7 day में मुझको कुछ करना है. So it's a very when we have deadlines like this, we can do wonders actually. So I should say that although I could not complete the book in 7 days, but it was really helpful to कि मुझे ये बुक कंप्लीट करना है. इट्स नॉट लाइक यू हैव फॉरएवर कि अच्छा एक साल में तुम द 10x रूल कंप्लीट करो. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. So I had 7 days. So I had this feeling in my mind कि okay 7 दिन में I need to complete this book. And I have I was also had this thinking that इसको खत्म करेंगे तो something nice will happen to my life as well. I will not go to that part actually, like right now. Actually, some good things are happening, started happening, so I will get back to it. So yes, that's the thing. I think 7 days reading challenge was really important. If there is no challenge, I think people will feel just lost. Okay, so
Yeah.
what I'm doing.
Great, awesome. So Mithu, also that you post almost every day. You post before sleeping. I think 10 or 11
Yeah.
p.m. We get a long message from you stating the key takeaways of the day from the
Right.
books, and you're a very healthy note maker. Even I don't have this habit of jotting down all these points with a emoji also. You put
Emojis.
that.
Yeah.
So
Right.
yeah, so that emotion of the line is shown in the emoji. That's a great thing. So how did that started? And like what is motivating you every day to keep doing that?
Okay, so the first thing, it first started on the moment I joined the Book Readers Club. Actually, I have the habit of taking notes, especially when I read something related to my professional field. Actually, I take notes. So I have had this experience of taking
Mm-hmm.
notes. So what I did is when I started reading my first book, I thought, okay, इसमें क्यों note ना ले? I have learned a lot of great things. And one thing we can do is take highlights whenever we are reading ebook. Book bhi kharab nahi hota, and we can take highlights. So I used to take highlights. I used to take note in the book itself. So we can type out, okay, ye line par ke I understand this. So this really helped. What I did is I have started, I used to complete the book, and what I used to do is before going to sleep, I used to go through the book again. So that's when I started taking the takeaways. So what I used to do, I have some system in place where I can keep my notes. So I just go through that, okay, all the highlights and simple notes I sometimes take. कि मुझे पढ़ के ये समझ में आया. I don't like I don't write detailed notes while reading because it actually distracts me. So I have tried writing once. It does not work for me. So I like write a little bit something. Okay, this that. And when I go to before going to sleep, I just go through all the points and notes, simple notes that is there. So what I do is I try to jot down, okay, ye parke I understand this. And sometimes there is a nice quote in the books कि ये whenever you're going to read this kind of quotes, you will be motivated. So I also note down this kind of quotes as well, and I post them in the BRC vault, BRC group. I think I almost do it every day.
Yeah, yeah, you do it every day, and I'm very grateful that you do that. So that's great, yeah, Mithu. I think that's something that even I have learned from you. That's a very
Thank you
good thing.
so much.
That's
I'm very much
that's
obliged actually.
nahi, that's true. That's true. I'm learning a lot of things from you. So, Mithu, one of the most apart from all these things, one of the biggest achievements in the last 2 months, I think you have done is your after started reading the book and after joining BRC, you have started your own podcast, Impulse Books.
Yeah,
So
right.
that was the main reason
That's you
you are
can
the
see.
first. Yeah, I can see that. So that first, you are the first guest, not because only for the readings and all these things you have done, but majorly because you have taken an implementation, action in your life. So why don't you talk about Impulse Books? What is it? How it came? The idea came. What is it? How someone can be benefited, and what are your future plans with Impulse Books? Let's spend some minutes on that.
Okay, before I talk about Impulse Books, I would like to say one thing that I learned from a book called The Rework. I don't know if people who work with a lot of project management things, they will know about the software called Basecamp. So this book is written by the author of the CEO of the Basecamp actually. So he's the author. He's a billionaire. So what I learned from this book is we when we do something like I'm doing something with the software, or maybe I'm just an engineer or an electronic engineer, whatever I can be. So whenever we do something, we also create something called the byproduct.
Okay.
Suppose I am reading books. Okay, now I am taking notes. The note is the byproduct of reading books. So this is not
Correct.
the thing.
Correct.
Yeah, so my actual focus is reading books, but whenever I take the notes, this is my byproduct. So what I learned ki byproduct can be itself a product if you want. So sometimes ऐसा होता है कि your byproduct is so good that you can make it a product. So I was like, okay, great. So actually I have I understood even before I started reading the book Rework, because what I did is I always post takeaways on the BRC. So what I did is I have created an Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter page, and I have started copy and paste this takeaways in the Instagram and the Twitter and Facebook. So so ये हो गया. So this is the social aspect. This is done. Now after that I read the book Rework, and I understood that okay, this is the byproduct that I'm posting whatever I'm posting on Instagram, and people are reading and following and hitting that like button or the love on the Instagram. So even though a lot of people don't like, I mean 30-40 people may like, this is enough for me. They're liking my byproduct. So so I had this feeling in my mind, okay, I can make this byproduct a product. This is the time. And I also read the book called The Power of Now, which basically helps you to be on the current stage. कि कुछ करना है तो अभी करो, just be in the present moment, and you don't need to think about the past and the future and what people will say and all that blah. So what I thought कि okay, let's take the game seriously, because I just I can't really post just takeaways every day. So because I want to share my message with people too. Because one thing I really noticed is people, even in my friend circle, read a lot of fiction books sometime, but I don't see any particular changes in their life, honestly speaking. I don't want to name their take their names, but I don't see any visible changes in their life. So the reason I can see that, they don't do anything, they don't take any action, they're just like me. So just reading at that time. So I thought, okay, this is a problem. So I can just encourage people, whoever who is a book reader, even though you're not a book reader, so you can get the most out of my product. That is a byproduct. I can say, I can call it product now. So what I thought is, okay, एक काम करते, YouTube पे video डालेंगे. Then I thought, okay, video making is really a hard job. So I myself make videos on YouTube related to software engineering. I understand that it takes a lot of amount of effort and time. So I thought, okay, let's not go put in that much effort. Let's start with something simple where I don't need to show my face and all that. Let's start with a podcast. And I listened to podcast all the time, so it was there in my mind. So I knew about the podcast and how things work. So what I did is I have okay, so can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I did is I have created an account on the Anchor. Anchor is an app where you can upload your podcast. A podcast is a very simple form of audio. You just put your whatever speaker, even you can use your phone speaker as well, and whatever you want to share, you can share your thoughts. So that's how podcast actually works. And trust me, people are going to like your thoughts. That's the amazing thing that I understood. And that's how actually Impulse Book started. So what I did is, एक दिन मुझे लगा कि okay, I need to get serious and I need to start that podcast. The moment I think, that day itself I have started this podcast actually. So what I did is, I thought that okay, I will do it, and I have also shared this on my, I think, in the webinar itself. And one thing I want to say is, Shobit gives every Book Readers Club member a chance to speak in Fridays. So that day I have announced the Impulse Books podcast even before going live. So because BRC is like a family, so that day I shared ki, okay, I am starting a podcast. So I had the script and all this thing ready, because podcast needs some time to upload it on the every sites. It takes some time, and I wanted to make my trailer really good. I have this thing in me, so कि perfect होना चाहिए. But it's not like कि हर वक्त you need to be perfect. But okay, so this perfection really helps me to get something. I will get back to it. So then I scripted all the things कि trailer कैसा होगा, कि what I need to say, because I wanted to say something in 2 to 3 minutes and make people understand कि this is what you are going to get out of the Impulse Books podcast. Okay, this is what you are going to get. So Impulse Books is nothing but, the Impulse is a Latin word which basically means the implement, कि book को अपने life पे कैसे implement करना है, how to implement books in your life. So whatever knowledge you gain by reading the book, because non-fiction books or self-help books are filled with all the action steps actually. And if you really take and follow these action steps, you are going to be on the author's place. and this is for sure. It may take some time, but it will be.
Great.
And Shobit also believe that, I guess. Right.
Yeah.
So what I think is, okay, let me just summarize all the thing in 2 to 3 minutes. So I make a trailer of my podcast. I scripted it and I recorded it and published. So, and people really liked my trailer about the Impulse Books podcast. And 10x rule, the 10x rule, it was my first episode actually after that trailer. That has a very catchy title too. How to start a podcast by reading a book. So, so this is a title of that podcast, the 10x rule. So, what I did is 10x rule parke, whatever I understand, I just put it on that podcast. So I also list down all the action step that is required to implement that book in your own life. So that was about it. So 10x rule pay, I learned one thing is if you just keep going, whatever you're doing, you just put it. If you give 10x effort of whatever you're doing, so you are going to be lucky somehow. So I was like, okay, so, how it is going to happen? Am I going to be lucky? They said, okay, luck will come to you. You don't need to do anything. You just do whatever you're doing, but do it, just keep giving effort. I was like, okay, I'm giving effort. So in that time, even before I start the podcast, I got a, offer to make, create a paid contents for my software engineering stuff. I accepted it. And also I just want to share one thing is my podcast has been selected for the Spotify Commune Pitch Fest. There were
Congrats on
almost
that.
yeah,
Yeah.
that was actually there were 250 entries and I was in among the top 15. So there was Roshan Abbas, who is the RJ and is a star of the voice
I know.
industry, you can say.
Yeah.
So he actually hosts this thing because Spotify is trying to keep their podcast game up. So because Ghana, Spotify and all these apps are really doing excelling, they understand that this industry is booming. It is going to boom someday because podcast is something you can listen to it anytime. Video you need to just keep on focusing sometime, but podcast like naate naate bhi you can just listen to the podcast, you can gain
Yeah,
knowledge.
correct.
So it's, and in audiobook sometimes what happens, you can't really compare with audiobook because audiobook also needs your focus, but podcast may subtle focus can be okay. So because this is like a conversational thing, someone is trying to say something or tum sun rahe ho, yeah. So it's like that. So they understand this, and so they were I'm really lucky that I got selected among top 15. So, and also top 2 people were sponsored by the Spotify itself. And I should say that I'm not selected in the top 2, but that's not the end of the day. But I'm still going to make podcasts. So I'm really happy that I didn't know that I have started something. I'm a new podcaster. It's not like that I have a history of podcasting. That okay, I pehle bhi podcast bana chuke, so I have this experience. Not like that. I just put in 10x effort. Honestly, this is a simple, just I have started with just joining the BRC. Then I started reading book, and that book taking took me to that podcast. So that byproduct itself is a product now. So this all happens because I joined the BRC and started reading books. That's actually core or the spark that you can say. We all need that spark actually.
Yeah. So all the people who are watching, this is a golden sentence. Because of the book reading, he started a podcast. Because of the book reading, I became financially free. So like book reading can take you to different levels. I always say that,
Yeah,
and
right.
I always say that to people. Okay, read books. The reason I started this Achievers BRC Achievers interviews is so that people can understand the real examples. Okay, how book reading is actually converting people's life. So congrats, Mithu, and I think everyone should check out. I'm very active on Spotify actually. Every single podcast is available. So I follow all these great people. So Impulse Books is also available on Spotify. Go
Yeah,
check it
right.
out. And I think Mithu has made it very professionally. I think very short 6 minute episode. I think, and it was very beautifully constructed and it was very good. So congrats on
I
that.
think people who don't even have any Spotify or anything like that, they just want to listen to the podcast. They can search it on Google and they will find it on
Yeah.
any platform actually.
Google, if I would say if you don't have anything, if you're a first time podcast, you're just first time, just Google the name podcast. Will Google podcast in the Chrome only you can listen it. You don't have to
Yeah,
download
right.
anything. Yeah. So I think that was a very interesting conversation with you. Before
Yeah,
we go ahead, I have
it
like two,
is.
three questions to you immediately. So BRC is much more than book reading today. BRC has like almost 70 members today, and
Yeah.
BRC has a lot of members. Interaction, Rekha ma'am, Archana ma'am, Abhishek, Sakshi, all training Gurukul people are there. From my different Skupin people are there, TTC people are there. A lot of different people, different communities are part of the BRC, and we are interacting every day. Every Friday we meet and everything. So how like one last thoughts on BRC feedback or experience. What do you think about BRC today? As of today, what are thoughts on BRC Book Readers Club?
Okay, so one thing I would like to say that BRC is a great initiative. So the Book
Mm-hmm.
Readers Club, I think people
Mm-hmm.
who are not a part of any Book Readers Club, they should be a part of a Book Reader Club. I think because I think Shobit is not going to promote BRC saying that because
Mm-hmm.
I think if you are not, why not start with the Shobit's BRC book club because I'm here. So no, it's not like that. So the thing is that I want to say is. If you are a part of the BRC, you will see that a lot of inspirational things people are reading, and I can see that people from various fields are reading a different kind of things. And whenever I see this kind of people, I really get this encouragement. Okay, I need to read books. So this really helped me to stick to it. And I should say that still BRC is the reason that I can run my podcast because agar BRC na hota I couldn't have post my takeaways, and these takeaways are the actual reason that I can make the podcast. So this is a byproduct of a byproduct. I'm reading
Awesome.
books, that's why I can
Yeah.
take the notes.
Yeah.
So that because the BRC is there, that's why I'm taking the notes and I'm putting it there. So uske liye
Uh,
that because I am putting it
yeah.
everywhere, every day on the BRC, I have the notes with me. That's why I can make the podcast. So it's a byproduct of byproduct of byproduct. So you can see that the link,
I
connect the dots. You can like
I
that.
love that sentence, byproduct of the byproduct. Yeah, that's something
Yeah.
very good. Yeah. So anyway, so Mitu, thank you so much. I think you are doing a great job, and I'm very happy, very lucky that I have. I would not say mentees now. I would say a friend like you who is doing some lot of things and encouraging me also do a lot of stuff. To be very honest, I just like 2 days ago I recorded my first podcast, and I posted
Yeah.
it. And to be very honest, after listening to Impulse Books, I got motivated. Okay, chalo, let me try something different. I always make videos. Let me try something like a podcast. And then I'm a man of research. I do a lot of research. Then I went how podcast is helpful for business. So people say that podcast, I mean, there is a lot of more concentration towards the content that you are sharing because
Yeah, right.
it only takes one sense, that is the hearing sense. When you look at a video, you have visual sense, you have a audio sense, two three senses you have to use. But with podcast, you can close your eyes, just listen to the words of the person. So
Yeah,
podcast is a
content is the
very,
king.
yeah, content is the king.
Yeah,
Exactly,
right.
content is the king. That's great. So just before we shut down, Mitu, my feedback for me. What do you have to say about me? I have said a lot of things about you. Just last, I want to hear from you. What do you think about me as a person? As you have been, we have shared, I think, almost more than 2 months. We have been in contact
Yeah,
professionally,
it's almost
professionally mostly.
I think it's 58 or 59 days
Wow.
because I'm tracking how much day I
Yeah,
am reading.
exactly. So yeah,
So
the
yeah.
engineer inside you is like not gonna die.
Yeah, just
So
track
yeah,
whatever you want.
so your feedback for me, very important for me. Yeah.
So the first feedback is you're looking nice today.
Thank you so much. I thought that I'll do some professionalism with my interviews.
Yeah, so actually it
Yeah.
happens to me, like whenever I'm going out, कि, my friend is wearing a blazer. I'm like, मैं तो t-shirt पे हो, तुम blazer पहन के आ गए. I was like, I had this feeling when you come. So anyways, so what I want to share about you, Shobit, is whatever you are doing, your motto or the goal, I should say, or the purpose is really awesome. The changing people's lives. People can understand if they listen to your podcast first episode. I think the purpose you have in your mind, it's like amazing, right? You are not trying to like कि लोगों को ये सिखाना है भाई, ये कर दो वो कर दो. It's not like you are giving people a choice कि ये भी हो सकता है. So you're showing that path to the people. I really like this. And you want कि अच्छा people transform हो, so that's why you call yourself Transformer. So that I really like that movie Transformer, but I also like you too. So yeah, so I should say that BRC is a great initiative by you, and you have more other things to you do a lot of other things too. So I have no idea about that, but I think I should say the purpose in your mind is really awesome. And I should say one thing, that you should not stop this. It should just grow and grow. And people will get connected. I really want ki मुझसे भी अच्छा कोई करे by joining the BRC. It's not like ki okay, someone who had no experience with a podcast or anything like that, or content or anything like that, and he did really well. I want ki more people join into the BRC and do some great stuff too, because Shobit is a very nice guy. He will help you. So because he's very easy to reach to. That's the great thing I have learned. I have the tendency not to disturb people, so I don't contact much. But the thing is that Shobit is very easily accessible, I should say. So that's a great thing about you, I think I should say. And because ऐसा होता है कि people who are busy with a lot of things, they अच्छा call कर रहा है, okay छोड़ो अभी, I should not talk, anything like that. So you are really easily accessible, and you are a very nice guy to talk with. And it's great. I think I should say, I could not say कि कुछ तुमको improve करना है कि नहीं. So but you are doing really great, bro. I should say I should learn from you. I think I am learning a lot from you, especially the speaking. I mean, I'm trying to get a hold of it.
Nothing like that. I see the way you have started. You are starting growing your podcast and doing professional stuff. The first instant, like in 2018, I started all this. November 2018,
Okay.
and books were the first thing. So for you, so I always say that it's not about the operational thing that you are doing. For example, in case you are doing a podcast, in my case, I started earning more money in different ways. So what the more important thing is, what actions or implementation you are doing after reading a book.
Right.
For example, I'll not go in detail, but one example I'll give you, that one person suggesting, the problem I ask from people, what is the problem that you're facing, and can you please send me, I'll share a book with you. The minute anyone says that I'm going through a financial problem, or salary problem or something, the first book I suggest is Rich Dad Poor Dad. Because if someone has read that book and someone has taken the takeaways, that person can never go financial problems in their life.
Obviously.
I have done the same. Now that the gentleman told me that, Shobit, I've read that book 5 years ago. So I go blank that time. Again, this is my thing, but again, I always think, what was the point of reading the book if you have not implemented actually? Like if you.
That's why actually Impel books exist.
Yeah. So the income quadrant, and so many amazing things are there in that book. It's not about that book. Like 10 books have given you a lot of things. So the reason you are sitting here, you are giving, is not. I always say that I have not done anything. I have just given a system and just given a platform for people to learn and improve. Those who are doing it on their own, they are the one who will go. So I think you are doing a great job, and thank you so much for joining BRC, and thank you for doing all this. Anything you want to share? Any last thought? If you want to share any thoughts, because I have a lot of thoughts in my head. One good what do we call that? Good thoughts, one-liners. If you want to share anything, you can go ahead.
So the one-liner, if you ask me, is that I want to share a quote. Actually, I'm really bad with actually remembering quotes. So I really like to jot it down in a simple way. Is like this is from the 10x rule. This became a favorite book actually. I got overwhelmed after reading that. So but still it's my favorite. Okay, so the thing is that he says that the author says that people, the knowledgeable people, or the rich or wealthy people, they treat a $30 book, I mean any book which has a low cost associated with it, they treat it like something that it can make $1 million for them. So it's not like कि ये book छोटा है, ये कम, this is ये 20 रुपए का book है, ये क्या करेगा मेरे life के साथ. So what should I get out of it? There even if you ask me, I have read books like that in previously, which are like 20 pages, 25 pages, that were easy to read actually. This books comes in 20 rupees, 25 rupees. I have somewhere read. So these books are also great. This will inspire you. So I think you should not ignore books or just the book by the cover. So that's what I want to say.
Yeah, okay, so that was it. Thank you for congratulations for appearing the BRC Achievers interview first, and that's amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And I hope this continues. You grow more and more, and
also follow Impel Books.
Please guys, follow Impel Books. And Mithu is an amazing person. Here on YouTube, he has like 7 times more subscribers than me. So So please follow his YouTube channel as well, and just Google him. Just LinkedIn pay. You can go ahead and just follow him.
Yeah, just Google it.
He's a great video.
You will find it
Okay,
everywhere.
sure. Bye. Take care, Ritu. Thank you so much for
Bye. Thank
giving
you
your
so much.
time. Okay, bye.
Thanks so much.